Good morning students, welcome to online class. In our last class we have learned some understanding question answers. Today we will learn about some usages. Some fill in the blanks are given here in your textbook. Before we will go through the fill in the blanks, we must understand some words and with their meanings. First one, good for means of help, use, advantage. Next, for good means permanently. As good as, it means that is the statement is true. Good of means in order to help someone or something. Good to, it means having the required qualities. Good in, it means high quality. Now we will use these words and with their meanings we will go through the some fill in the blanks question answers. First one is fill in each blank with an expression that goes with good. First question is the social activist worked all the time for the dash community. The social activist worked all the time for the good of community. The answer is good of. Next one. He does a lot dash for all the people by collecting money to build new schools. Here the correct fill in the blanks is he does a lot good for all the people by collecting money to build new schools. Next example is I know that I will not be dash a doctor because I can't stand blood. Here I know that I will not be for good a doctor because I can't stand blood. Fourth one is my friend feels that his old car is dash another 5 years. My friend feels that his old car is good for another 5 years. Next, fifth one, it is dash practice yoga and pranayama early in the morning. It is good to practice yoga and pranayama early in the morning. Next one, she was always dash taking care of elderly people. She was always good in taking care of elderly people. Next one, it is dash teach ethical values to young people and catch them young. The answer is it is good to teach ethical values to young people and catch them young. Last example is it is nice to be dash your teacher. It is nice to be as good as your teacher. Next, we will go through the 4.2 exercise. Fill in each blank with an expression that goes with come. You may use expressions like come through, come over, come off, etc. Use a good dictionary if needed. Before we will go through the fill in the blanks, we must understand the meanings of the words. First of all, come through means to do what is needed or expected. Come over means move from one place to another. Come off means to succeed or to happen as planned. Come out of means emerge or appear. Come in, it means join or finish a race in a specified position. Last one, come on means start in, arrive or happen. Another meaning is make progress or develop. Using all these words, we will go through the fill in the blanks question answers. The host dash the room to greet the guest. The host come out of the room to greet the guests. Troubles dash when you least expect them. Next example is troubles come over when you least expect them. Next example is we can't buy a car unless it dash our budget. Here the answer is come in. We can't buy a car unless it comes in our budget. Peace can only dash if each side agrees to yield to the other. Here we must fill the answer come through. Peace can only come through if each side agrees to yield to the other. Next example is I always worry about what will dash my son if he fails in the final examination. I always worry about what will come over my son if he fails in the final examination. Sixth one, the branches dash the tree if they do not get enough water. The branches come off the tree if they do not get enough water. Next example is birthdays dash quickly when one is older. Birthdays come off, O-double-F off, come off. It means to succeed or to happen as planned. Birthdays dash quickly when one is older. Birthdays come on quickly when one is older. The answer is come on. Start in, arrive or happen, make progress or develop. Next example is the sun dash after many days of rain. The sun came over after many days of rain. Why don't you dash to my house one evening? Why don't you come over to my house one evening? All about the fill in the blanks. Next we will go through the next exercise, that is 4.3. In 4.3 there are some fill in the blanks are there. Fill the gaps with appropriate expressions from the list given below and write out the whole paragraph. My friend who had come away from the college went to a fruit garden. He climbed over the wall, which was 10 feet high, and reached a mango tree. He plucked them, which were just beginning to ripen. As he was trying to climb down, he slipped and fell, and some of the mangoes which were in his pockets rolled away. The owner, who saw this, jumped on his bicycle and rode towards my friend. But my friend, who was hurt by the fall, ran off along a very narrow lane in which the bicycle could not go. The owner was seen coming after my friend. Next, we will go through the 4.4 exercise. 4.4. Here, some sentences are given, but some mistakes are there. We have to correct them. Are you a fault finder? Locate the mistakes and correct them. First example is what you are going to do during your leave. The mistake is using the helping verb in proper situation. What are you going to do during your leave? First example is what are you going to do during your leave? The fault is in using the helping verbs. In our question, they mention what you are going to do during your leave. The mistake is here. What are you going to do during your leave? Second one is please get me a matchbox. The answer is please get me a matchbox for me. Please get a matchbox for me. All these are answers. Next one. I am reading in the 5th forum. But we are not using reading. In this sentence, reading is the mistake. I am studying in the 5th forum. The correct use of the word is studying, not reading. example is, I hope you enjoyed the beautiful sceneries at Ooty. Here the mistake is sceneries. Scenery itself is the plural form, so we do not use sceneries. We use just scenery. I hope you enjoyed the beautiful sceneries. But correct form of word is scenery. At Ooty. Next one. I have worked here since 1 year. I have worked here for a year. We have to remove the since. Instead of since, correct use of the word is for. I have worked here for a year. Next example is, we bought new furnitures. Here also furnitures itself is the plural form, so we use only the word furniture. We bought new furniture. New furniture. Furniture and scenery itself is the plural form, so we do not use s or es after the word. Next example is, she gave me lots of advices. She gave me lot of advices. Next example is, please bring your luggages here. Please bring your luggages here. Please bring your luggage here. Luggage here. Here also we do not use s or es. Luggage itself is the plural form. Next example is, I have been to Chennai last month. I have been to Chennai last month. I had been to Chennai Next one. Please write your names with ink. Please write your name with ink. Next one. Please mend this pencil. Please mend this pencil. Next one. Do you know to sing? Do you know to singing? The fault or mistake is using the verb. Next one. We are unable to cope up with the cost of living. We are unable to cope up. The fault is we must use the with. Cope with the cost of living. Next example is English has 26 alphabets. We did not use alphabets. English has 26 alphabets. Next example is boarding and lodging is provided here. Boarding and lodging. Boarding and lodging are provided here. Next one. The road is more shorter than that. This road is shorter than that. Next one. No smoking in the campus. Smoking is prohibited in the campus. Next one, we have discussed about the matter. We have discussed the matter. There is not necessary to use about. Next one, this is superior than that. This is superior to that. Superior to that. Last example is, only 2 weeks back we went there. We went there 2 weeks. Good morning students, welcome to online class. In our last class, we have learned some grammar exercises, that is identifying the mistakes. Today we will learn spelling and pronunciation, that is 6.1 exercise. Here are some words are given. Two words are given here. We have to identify the correct spelling of the word. First one, religious. Here also religious, but correct spelling is this one, religious. Next one, disguise. Two words are given, but we have to identify the correct spelling of the disguise word. The correct spelling of the word is disguise, this one, robbery. Robbery. Here, correct spelling of robbery is this one. Next, aesthetics. Here also two words are given. The correct spelling of aesthetics, this one. Next, aggressive. Here also two words are given here. The correct spelling of aggressive is this one. Yield. The correct spelling of yield is this one. Next, celibates. Celibates, correct spelling is this one. Next, righteous. The correct spelling is this one. Next one, civilization. The correct spelling of civilization is this one, civilization. Next one, intoxication. The correct spelling of intoxication word is this one. Next, we will go through the 6.2 exercise. Here, unscramble the right word from the scrambled ones. Some words are given, but they are not systematically arranged words. We have to arrange systematically and meaningful words. First one is, all these are answers. First answer is cataclysmic. Next, second one is tranquility. approaching. Next, fourth one, acceptance. Fifth one, wickedness. Sixth one, prophecy. Seventh one, prosperous. Eighth answer is continually. Next one, in 6.3, fill in the blanks with the missing letters. Some words are given, but some fill in the blanks are there. We have to fill the answer and meaningful answers. First one is blasphemous. Some fill in blanks are there. Next one, resistance, benefactors, impostors, plenty, recognized, determined. Eighth one, tranquility, prophecy, consequently. All these are about fill in the blanks and about the sixth exercise. Thank you.